A portable device that cools a room in summer and heats it in winter, with no installation needed? That's the promise of the EpiCooler. It looks sleek, it sounds incredible. But does it actually work? Or is this just too good to be true? Let's find out. The EpiCooler website makes some big claims. It says it can cool a room up to 550 square feet in minutes. It's whisper quiet and uses less energy than a traditional air conditioner. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, and the website itself has a high trust score on ScamAdvisor. This suggests the site is secure, and you'll likely receive a product. The real question isn't just if they'll ship something, but if what you get matches the marketing. Now here's where we hit some serious bumps. First, and this is huge, the website domain is only 1 month old. That's a major red flag for any product making such big claims. Second, the technology itself is suspicious. True air conditioners require an exhaust hose to remove hot air from a room. The EpiCooler shows no hose. Without one, it's physically impossible for any device to actually lower a room's temperature. It might blow cool air on you, but it's more like a powerful fancy fan than a real AC unit. The few reviews on Trustpilot are mixed to negative, with some users saying it barely made a difference in their room's temperature. So here's the bottom line. While the website might be secure, the product appears to be massively overhyped. It's unlikely to cool an entire room as advertised. You might get a personal cooling fan, but you are not getting a replacement for a real air conditioner. That 30-day return policy might be your best friend if you decide to take the risk. If this honest tech review helped you, please support our channel by liking and subscribing. It helps us keep the lights on. Thanks for watching.